You're asked to do quite a bit. First, we got a graph, then we got to talk about the domain, range, and interval notation. So, in this case, there are four things that I am looking for when I am graphing. The first thing is the general shape. So, because the a value is greater than 1, sorry, greater than 0 actually, and the b value is less than 1, that tells us it's exponential decay, which means our general shape is going to look kind of like this here. Now, next I'm going to go ahead and do the horizontal asymptote, which in this case is determined by the k value, so -1. So our line is not going to cross here. Next, I'm going to use R1 and R2 to represent reference point 1 and reference point 2, where my first reference point is h, which in this case is -4. And then my y value is a plus k, my a value being 2, my k value being -1. 2 plus -1 is just 1, so -4 and 1. I'm going to plot that point 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And then my second r value is 1 plus h, so that becomes -3. And a times b, which in this case is 2 times 1/3, which is 2 and 1/3, plus a -1. So 2/3, not 2 and 1/3. 2/3 plus a -1 is just going to be -1/3. So when we go 3 to the left and -1/3 here, about right there, whoops, about right here ish. And now our general shape goes through those 2 points, never crosses my horizontal asymptote. There I go for my graph. Now the domain here is, what does this have? Interval notation. So we're going to go -infinity to +infinity because it's represented by all values. X can be anything. My range, though, changes a little bit because it's only above this horizontal asymptote. So what that means is that the lowest value is -1, which it never touches, and it goes up to negative or to positive infinity. Now, as far as my end behavior goes, I'm going to go ahead and write that on the right over here to give me some more space. So remember that is written as x goes towards -infinity, y goes towards what? So as we go to the left, the y value is going up. So we're going towards positive infinity. Now, the second part is as x goes towards positive infinity, or as we go to the right, y goes towards what? So as we go to the right, y is going towards -1, yet it is never reaching it. So there's my end behavior, domain, range, and graph.